Hello, my name is Andy Latham, and I'd like to welcome you to our series of courses on the Syspro Application Designer. The Application Designer is what's commonly known as a low-code, no-code application development tool. It's used by the Syspro developers to develop the core application, Syspro application, and it's now been made available for partners and end users to use to develop their own applications within Syspro. The App Designer leverages the look and feel, the control behavior and the business logic of the core Syspro application. And it also has the ability to access data from external databases from Syspro, allowing partners and end users to develop applications which look and feel like Syspro, but may well be accessing data from third-party sources. These courses are designed to introduce you to the core controls within the application designer and to show you how it actually works. Each course has a series of sections. I've tried to break them up into digestible chunks in case you need to come and refer to them back again. And each course also has a series of source codes as we work through examples. The app designer is under constant development and change as developers come up with new ideas or requests for us to add new features. And as such, the user interface may vary slightly from that in these courses. In the event that the user interface changes markedly from the courses, I have added a little insert occasionally to explain the changes and try to map the old UI to the new UI. But I think overall it's fairly self-explanatory. These courses form just one part of an extensive amount of material designed to help you learn about Application Designer. First port of call ought to be the App Designer web portal, which you can get at from the info zone. And from this portal, you have a button here that will get you to the range of courses. And one of the key documents that I would recommend you download is from the overview guide. This is a huge document that documents in detail every single option and property and how things work. And it's quite useful to be cross-referencing the guide with the courses as you're actually working through. As well as that, and this is what the Application Designer user guide looks like, there's the press F1 help, which is standard in Syspro, which will give you the online help. And as you will see in the Getting Started course, which is the first one of the courses, every time you get at a property within the App Designer, there is online help that pops up in the bottom right-hand corner explaining to you in detail what each of the properties actually does. There is also a forum for you to register queries and questions, or indeed explain how clever an application you developed and so on like that. So I recommend that you use that as well. Anyway, that's a quick intro. I hope you enjoy the courses. If you've got any feedback on them, whether you want to see some improvement in them or have missed something out, please feel free to contact me. My email was on the beginning of this introduction. Thanks very much.